Hello, I am Mr. Monarch, and welcome back. Today, we're planting wildflower seed beds. These will serve as feeding stations for any butterflies visiting our swamp plants to lay eggs, and also for the newly hatched monarchs preparing to take first flight. What you'll need: seeds, sand, soil, and somewhere to plant them. After last time, I've decided to bring in some workers to speed things along. All children in this video were under adult supervision at all times. Alright, we're on the hunt for Oompa Loompas. They are the cheapest workers in the world. This is their payment. Now, we have to keep costs low so we can keep butterflies fed and housed. Hopefully we can... Oh, I think I hear some. There they are! There they are! I've got candy! Candy, come on! Just a day's work! Yes! Take the candy, little Oompa Loompas! Yes! To the greenhouse! First, we're going to mix our seeds with sand. This helps with easier and more even sowing. If your sand comes from an outdoor sand pit, beach or river, make sure to boil it for 15 minutes to sterilize it. Then dry it thoroughly. Wet sand causes seeds to clump. Since I'm starting these flowers indoors until the frost season ends, I need a planter box. Turns out, an old set of drawers from a broken bed base fits perfectly inside our greenhouse. Eye protection is recommended. After a bit of DIY magic from the Oompa Loompas, complete with added drainage holes, we're good to go. Wildflowers don't like too much pampering, so I'm using a mix of reclaimed potting soil and a bit of fresh mulch. Moisten the soil and rake it lightly. Then, sow your seeds as evenly as possible. Try sowing in one direction and then the other in a cross-hatch pattern for good coverage. You can either lightly rake the seeds in or just press them down as the Oompa Loompas have done here. I'll be planting 4 of these beds, but staggering them in 2-week intervals. This way, we'll get the widest range of blooms at once, giving our monarchs a full buffet. Sapling update time. We have 11 sprouts. They're doing well, but they're getting a bit leggy. To help with this, I've attached a car dash sun protector to reflect more sunlight onto them. I also rotate the trays daily, so each seedling gets time near the window and the center of the heat pads. My son and I are also growing red velvet sunflowers in the same trays as our younger milkweed. You'll get occasional updates on their progress too. I've done some more research and it turns out the bird nectar powder isn't compatible with butterflies. The main reasons are it contains honey powder. Honey, which can be hard to digest, may clog their proboscis, that's the butterfly's drinking straw mouth. As it also has pollen and extra supplements, which birds love but butterflies can't process. These extras can ferment, they can rot, or upset a butterfly's very delicate system. So, while it's great for birds like the tui, it's a hard no for monarchs. I'll still be ordering some for our upcoming sugar water versus bird nectar powder trial, but rest assured I won't be feeding it to the monarch. In the next video, we'll build nectar feeders for our native birds like the tui, the bellbird and the silvereye, and begin the nectar trials. Depending on the shipping times, I may just hot drop a video on the history, biology and plight of the monarch butterfly. If not, keep an eye out, that video is still coming.